black, I mean. After you build the body, you just in the dinghy, and then just in the head, and then just in the flippers. Next, you put in the chest and the thing with the white clay.
Go.
Then you just in the feet, which is this color, orange, yellow.
Orange, yellow.
And then you put in the eye holes. Then you put in the nipples. Then you put in the beak. Then you put in